Good afternoon. Welcome back to the Perkins Garage's YouTube channel for another walk around video. Don't panic, I haven't got the sun in front of me. It's actually a orange glow Ford Tourneo custom titanium. This one is the 130 PS 6-speed manual. We have warranty until September 2023 and this vehicle has done only 9,000 miles. Well, actually just under that. Just under 9,000 miles, would you believe, ladies and gentlemen. So in this video, we're going to run you through some of the key specifications to be found on this titanium. First point is the HID Bi-Xenon Headlights. You could pretty much light up half the UK with these bad boys when they're running, so you've got some amazing headlights to start with. Another point to note is your front parking sensors trailing around the bottom lip of the bumper there for good measure. We're going to take a slow walk round to the offside front now. That's where you're greeted with your first Michelin tyre. That is a R17, so it's a 17-inch on some gorgeous spoked silver alloy wheels. Get the near side door now. We're going to start to pan outwards, give you some of this sexy orange glow colour in this lovely July sunshine. As you can see, your rear privacy glass stretching around the vehicle. And I forgot to mention, this is an L2 vehicle, so it's a long wheelbase vehicle. So I don't know if you've watched the other two videos I've just done, they're L1s. This is a really good reference. If you can't decide, I'll show you the space differences in just a second. So around the rear of the vehicle now, again, privacy glass continues, and your rear parking sensors on the bottom lip. I have a factory fitted tow bar with EU electrics, so if you are a tow person, you can tow to your heart's content without worrying about fitting a tow bar. So a bit of the near side there, as you can see, bodywork and the condition of the paint is immaculate. We only do the best around here, and the best is what you're going to get. Let me open up the rear tailgate now. As you can see, very large tailgate, supported by those hydraulic lifts, jacks over there, look. So, you know, if you need a rain shelter, we have a rain shelter. Anyway, L2, Dan, what is the difference? Well, fundamentally the difference is in your boot space. So as you previously saw in the L1s, you've still got ample of rear boot space, but in the L2, that is extended, so you've got even more room. I could reckon if I had a baby elephant, sit the baby elephant just there without a problem in the world. Maybe that can refer to a massive dog you have. I don't know. I'm just giving you an example. Let me crawl into the back now. And we can see a bit of the rear seats from this angle. It's a bit tight when I get inside it. I can't really show you very well. So show you the rear seats there. And if we look to the sky again, your rear air conditioning and your speakers are found up in the sky. Let's call out the boot now and let's go show you inside of the vehicle. So we'll get this big tailgate shut up. Again, although it is heavy, I'm doing it with one hand. So if you're a bit worried about opening and shutting it, it's more than achievable. Right, let's open her up. Let's jump inside. Okay, right. So we're facing to the rear of the vehicle now. So there's the bank of three there. This setup is called conference mode. So if you haven't seen the other videos with the 2 rows of 3, go watch them and you'll have a rough idea about how they're configured. I myself am over 6'2" and I've got ample of legroom there. I can get another one of me sat there facing each other. Hello beautiful. Yeah, plenty of room. Let me spin around and I'll show you some of the other little gadgets in the back here. 2 USBs on the near side, 2 USBs on the off side, 2 more over there by the handbrake. So if they're facing the other way, you've got access to 6 USBs in the back. Every window has a sun blind. Oh, pull that up, clip it in, sun blind. Air conditioning vents as well. I've already been over that, but yeah, absolutely lovely place to be. These ones are featuring the grey cloth in this titanium. And once again, all these seats are individual. Pull that, catch it, fold it down, pull that up. Take all the seats out if you don't need them. You only need 4, keep 4 in, have more space for storage. So if you want, these could be a transit in disguise as well, but I didn't tell you that. So we'll shut that up and we'll move to the front of the vehicle. And like all vehicles, your front window controls are found on your front door card, along with your interior locking. The titanium's having a manually adjustable seat, so you can ratchet it up. You've got different tilt controls, you've got a rail underneath, you can do your back recline, so you'll always get yourself comfortable. And again, look at the quality and the condition of these seats. They barely look like they've been worn in. Okay, let's jump inside now. Okay, if I turn the key properly, I can start the engine. There we go. So now we've got a bit of power going. Let's talk through the screen. So we're back to an RPM gauge on the left-hand side of the vehicle, and your speedo is featured on the right. I'm just going to turn the air conditioning down, otherwise you won't be able to hear me. Speedo at the right. There we've got your coolant temperature and your fuel gauge at the bottom of the screen, and obviously your trip computers are found in the middle. Going through all your different navigation, trip computers, phone, navigation, settings. If you go into your settings, we'll see a bit of some of the driver assistance pack. So we've got your blind spot assist in both the offside and the near side wing mirrors, pre-collision assist, traffic sign recognition, lane keeping, driver alert, hill start assist, cross traffic alert, eco coach, cruise control, speed limiter, and I'm out of breath. So plenty of driver assistance to be found in there. Here is where you can find, if I can focus, your adaptive cruise control settings on the left hand side of the steering wheel. All your menu controls are to your right, along with your phone connectivity bits and bobs just there and there, and your volume controls on the other side. We have some nice switches here to control your traction control. We do have a mode button also, which you can pop the vehicle into eco, give you a nice efficient drive. So it will suggest changing up and down the gears a little bit sooner to hopefully save you a bit of fuel. Right, where should we start next? Let's go to the screen now. Okay, so this is a Sync 3.4 module. The way to tell the difference between the two is if it has the dark blue band at the bottom, it's a 3.4 unit. Audio, phone, navigation, mobile apps and settings, all your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto is all compatible on that screen using a USB cable in this little slot here. So this is your screen. Let's just go on the navigation. Really responsive, very easy to use. I'll even give you a little tell away. That's where I am, look. Can you work out where I am? I suppose you know I'm Perkins. Anyway, that's where I am. So that's all navigated through a home button at the top left as well. Bluetooth, you use Bluetooth, connect your phone via Bluetooth, use your buttons on steering wheel, very hands-free system. Going south now, this is where you'll find your air conditioning controls and your heated front seats, heated steering wheel, different fan speeds, and your obviously different venting options are found there for good measure. Little cubby hole, important to me, especially on long journeys, is drinks holders, 2 cup holders there. Passenger has a really nice deep fill bottle holder, and so does the driver. So on longer journeys, you've actually got somewhere to put your coffee, which is a really nice feature. Okay, in the interest of time, we'll try and wrap it up. 8 seats in 8 minutes, that sounds good to me. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you do have any questions or anything you're not too sure on, please give us a call on 01376 550 899. Look forward to speaking with you all very soon. Goodbye now.